Hello everyone, my name is Sulochana Rathod. I am presenting function of operation management. Introduction of operation management. Production management is a branch of management which is related to the production function. Production may be referred to as a process convert when the conversion of input, raw material, machinery, information, manpower, and other factor of production. Input is semi-finished, finished goods, and other services, which the help in consider process, planning, scheduling, and controlling, etc. Will management. The process is exploitation of these factors of production is order to achieve the desired result. With the 1970 it emerged to distant change in our view. The most obvious of this reflected in the new name operation management was a shift in the service and manufacturing sector of the company. Meaning and definition of operation management. The concept of operation management across in 1970, as its name implies. The concept denoted a change in the of manufacturing and service in the economy. The term production and operation management is now being substituted by operation management as the production function is being integrated into operation. This has been done to highlight the rising importance of a service sector. According to the APICS, the Association for Operation Management is a field of study and focus on the effective planning, scheduling, use and control manufacturing and service organization through the study of the concept from design, engineering, industrial engineering, management, information system, quality management, production management, inventory management, accounting and other functions as they affect the organization. Function of operation management. Production planning, production control, quality control, industrial engineer, purchase, plant engineer, manufacturing have 4 types: providing a production program, schedule, route, and work order, spelling out the methods, process and standard of operation, ensuring the maintenance of plant and equipment, ensuring the uninterrupted supply, including that of the raw material to the plant. Method of analyze, inventory control, plant layout and managerial handling, work measurement, other function. There is a specific operation process. Advantage of operation management. Profitability management. When your when your operation are properly managed, is easier for your company execute to rely on the production activity to get a better understanding of your revenue stream. Better resources management. Operation management process focus on effectively managing all your resources to ensure that potential in being maximum. Competitive advantage, being able to coordinate the multiple level and components of your manufacturing organization means that things will run much more smoothly. Disadvantage of operation management, multi-level depends multi-level dependency. One of the main disadvantages is that a large amount of the success is implementing operation management produce require coordination between the different components of the organization. Human error. Another prevent problem within manufacturing operation is the fact that humans tend to be mistake prone. Most of the time this issue occurs during the transaction from manufacturing to sell. Thank you for watching.